How to stop applications that are running on your background on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually stop applications running in background. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, there are some of the applications that constantly run in the background. In order to fix that, we can simply open up the settings app. Once we open up our settings, here you want to simply go ahead and then look for the option which says battery. So let me just go ahead and select battery. And on most Android smartphones, if there are any type of apps that run on the background, you'll basically be able to see, instead of no issues, you'll be able to say one issue is found, two issues found. If there are some apps that constantly takes up your battery and runs in the background, as in my case, you can see none of the apps are that harmful. But if you want to actually stop those background apps manually as well, you can do that. All you have to do is you have to tap on this option which is App Battery Management. As I tap on App Battery Management, you'll be able to see a list of different apps. So if you want to disable any of these applications from the background, all you have to do is simply tap on that particular app, and then you have to simply turn off this toggle right next to Allow Background Activity. So if this is turned on, this application is also actually going to run itself in the background, and it is going to consume more power. But if you want to turn it off and stop background apps, then you have to simply turn the toggle off manually. And then you could also come back and then you could go ahead and view all of those other apps which you don't want it to run in the background. Hopefully this would have helped solve the issue. This is the way on how you can stop apps running in the background on your Android phone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.